Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got a package from AliExpress. Let's open it up and check it out. Here it is, and let's check it out. Oh, I almost gave it away. What are they? Oh. Anyone recognize it? This are Doctor Who stickers. So, if you remember, if you're a Doctor Who fan, like I am, you might remember this episode. This is one of my favorite episodes where the pills were causing people's fat to pop off and run away. I wish that were real. Let's go through them, and as I go through them, I will tell you some of the things about them. So these are 50 Doctor Who stickers. I got these from the store YH Sticker Store. They cost me $2. They cost me $2.13. These stickers are vinyl stickers that could be used on water bottles and laptops and anything really, even your suitcases. Some people like to put stickers on their suitcases to help them identify them when they're getting off the plane. They had 4.7 star rating, which isn't too bad. And I ordered them on March 5th, and they arrived on June 2nd. Oh, that's an old doctor. Seems like they have a lot of different doctor art. Even Christopher Eccleston, he was only a doctor for a year, for a season. A lot of these are kind of rectangular shaped. A few of them are die cut like this, where they're shaped. I actually have to be honest, I haven't finished I haven't caught up on Doctor Who. I got into Doctor Who late. My friends had been telling me for so long I have to give Doctor Who a try. So finally I did. And I started with the new season 1, not all the way back when it initially was season 1, but the one with Christopher Eccleston. And I couldn't get past the first episode where the mannequins kept coming alive and all this weird stuff was happening. And I just thought, this is so strange. And my friends said, you gotta power through it. Believe me, it gets better. So finally I did. I powered through that first episode, and then I started to really like it. I wasn't sure what I thought of Christopher Eccleston at first, but by the end I really liked him, and I was kind of sad when he moved on and we got David Tennant. But then I really liked David Tennant, and he became one of my favorite doctors. Right now I'm in the episodes that have Matt Smith as the Doctor. So I still got a ways to go. I'm in Matt Smith as the Doctor, but I know that after him it goes Peter Capaldi, and then it goes to Jodie Whittaker. Haven't got quite there yet, but I will in time. It's such a fun and crazy show. Same software, different case. Such a fun and quirky show. I really was a fan when I was a kid growing up. One of my initial, I like Star Wars, but one of my early introductions into science fiction and all that stuff and crazy storytelling was Twilight Zone. I had a class in school, and when the class, if we finished our work early and we had time at the end of the class, our teacher would let us watch an episode of Twilight Zone. So throughout a year and doing that regularly, got to watch quite a few episodes of Twilight Zone. So I love that kind of weird science fiction where you kind of like scratch your head what's going on. Oh, that's cool. It's got all the doctors. And the last one here. So Doctor Who stickers. Again, paid $2.13 from them. One of the things, I will put a link in the description, but one of the things I noticed when I checked it out is that these stickers, this store isn't actually selling these stickers anymore. Now, it could just be because they're out of stock, or it could be because they stopped. I don't know, but I will still put the link in the description, and maybe it will change. But if I can find these on Amazon as well, I'll put that link too. I always try to put the link as to where you can find the stickers on Amazon as well, because I know a lot of people don't want to deal with AliExpress because it takes you 3 months to get stuff. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your summer. Watch some Doctor Who. And until next time, stay safe.